Friends, today we are going to start with the new statement, that is the common size statement of profit and loss account. This is the format of common size statement of profit and loss. The various columns are particulars, note number, absolute amounts, and the percentage amounts. Here it is similar, this column particular is similar as we have done in the comparative statement of profit and loss. First, revenue from operation is given, net sales. Second, other income. Then this first and second column is added, that is total revenue. Then expenses, all expenses given, they will be written together and the total of expenses will be done here as done in the comparative profit and loss. Then after totaling the total expenses, we will calculate the fifth point, that is profit before tax. That will be total revenue minus total expenses. Here we will get the profit before tax, and whatever tax is given, we will calculate the tax on this profit before tax. We will calculate the tax on this, and that tax will be deducted from profit before tax. So we will get profit after tax by deducting 5th minus 6th, that is profit before tax minus income tax. So we will get the final answer here. Now here in this we are having this column of previous year amount. 2 years will be given, and this is the previous year amount is there, and this will be the amount of current year given in the question. As we are having 2 years like 2019 and 2020 is given, so we will write 2019 here and 2020 column here. The difference in this comparative statement and the common size statement is only here in this columns. Here we are having percentage column both, that is previous year percentage column and then current year previous percentage column is there. In comparative statement we were having here the absolute amount, but here no absolute amount will be there, only both percentage amount will be calculated. Now this how to calculate this, we will first is we will put revenue for operation, that is net sale, as 100 in both the columns. The first thing you have to do is you will write all these amounts given in the question. Then wherever net sale is given, it will be the first digit will be given here. Then first amount will be here revenue from operation, and we'll put it as 100 here. First thing is this. Then we will calculate the other amounts. Now how to calculate this amount? Previous year percentage will be calculated by taking the previous year amount. Whatever amount of previous year will be given, we will take that over the sales. That is this amount, like whatever amount of other income will be there, then divided by revenue from operation of this year only, multiply by 100. You can see here, this is the formula, that is previous year amount over net sales into 100. In the similar way, all the percentage will be calculated, like whatever amount is given of the previous year divided by the net sale of that year, multiply by 100. Every in front of every amount we will take only the net sales, that is revenue from operation, you can say, divided that amount with revenue from operation, multiply by 100 everywhere. And in the similar way, the current year percentage will be calculated by putting current year amount over net sales into 100. Here you will put current year amount from here, current year amount over net sales of this year, current year multiply by 100. Everywhere whatever amounts will be given, that will be taken divided by revenue from operation or net sales, you can say, divide multiply by 100 everywhere. So this is the common size profit and loss account. A question on the basis of this common size statement of profit and loss. This is the question in which first revenue from operation is given, and current year is 2020 and previous year is 2019. So revenue from operation is given 7,50,000 of previous year and current year 10 lakh. And then other income is given 1 lakh of current year and 75,000 of previous year. Then purchase of stock in trade, change in inventories, other expenses. These all are given. We will take it together as an expenses, and then rate of income tax is given of both years. Now we will begin to solve this question. This is the format. I have prepared the format. First is the particulars, note number. Then in this absolute amounts, I have to write previous year first, then current year, 31st March 2019 rupees, 31st March 2020 in rupees. This is the absolute amounts given in the question. And then the next column with the percentage of revenue from operation. Same in this way, 31st March 2019 in percentage and 31st March 2020 in percentage. Here in common size we used to calculate the percentages. Now in the question, revenue from operation of 2019 was 7,50,000 and of current year is 10 lakh. Now the first thing we have to do in this statement is we have to put in this percentage columns 100, 100 both. In this common size statement, the revenue from operation is taken 100 here as percentages. We have to assume it as 100% here. So I will write 100 here and 100 here. Next is other income is given in the question. It is given 75,000 of previous year and 1 lakh of current year. So I will write it in the answer. So I have written here 75,000 of 2019 and 1 lakh of current year. Now we will do total of this, that is first plus second. It will come to be total revenue. So 7,50,000 plus 75,000, it comes to be 8,25,000. And in the similar way, 10 lakh plus 1 lakh, it comes to be 11 lakh. Now next we have to do is we have to write all the expenses given in the question and the amounts in front of that in the previous amounts and the current amounts. So the next item is purchases of stock in trade, change in inventories, other expenses. I will write in the format in my solution of the previous amount, and I will do total of all these expenses. Now you can see I have written the previous year amount of purchases of stock, change in inventories and other expenses. Now we will do total of this 6 lakh plus 10,000 plus 7,500, and it will be 6,17,500. Now this is the amount. Now in the next you can see I have written this in brackets because this amount is given to me in the question in negative form. When anything is given in brackets, it means it is in minus. You can see here in the question we were given this as a negative amount of 50,000. Now we will do total 7,50,000 minus 50,000. We will deduct it. 7,50,000 minus 50,000 is 7 lakh plus 10,000, and it comes to be 7,10,000. And then this is the total of expenses. Now we will calculate profit before tax. That will be 3 minus 4. That is 3 is total revenue minus total expenses. If we will deduct total expenses from total revenue, we will get profit before tax. And our total revenue is of 2019 is 8,25,000 minus 6,17,500. So we will get 2,07,500 here. In the similar way, we will deduct 11 lakh minus 7 lakh 10,000, that is 3,90,000 of 2020. Now we have to deduct the tax, income tax given in the question. Given in the question of both the years, you can see of 2019 and 20, it is 50%. Now we'll calculate this tax on profit before tax. Now profit before tax is 2,07,500 and we have 50% tax here. So 50% will be 1,03,750 of 2019. And in the similar way, 3,90,000 we will calculate 50%. It will be 1,95,000. So I have deducted the tax 50% from profit before tax and I got profit after tax. So students, this process is similar as we have done in the comparative profit and loss account. Now here, how to calculate this percentages? As in the first step, I told you that wherever revenue from operation is given, you have to put it at 100. Now here, how to solve this? How to find this percentage? It will be, formula will be, that is the amount. Like we have to calculate 2019 first. So we will take the amount. We have to calculate the percentage here. So we will take the amount over the revenue from operation of this year, that is 7,50,000 multiplied by 100. So 75,000 over 7,50,000 multiplied by 100. You can see here we will do it in rough column, that is amount over revenue from operation multiplied by 100. So I've written 75,000 and we will do cutting of this. 71, sir, and I will get here 10%. So I will write it. So I have written 10 over here. In the similar way, I will calculate the next one. That will be calculated 8,25,000 over 7,50,000 multiplied by 100. Whatever amount we have to calculate, we will take that amount over 7,50,000 multiplied by 100. So you can see here, I will do cutting, that is 3, then here 75 ones are 11s are, and I will get here 110%. And I will write here, I have written 110 here. In the next, I will calculate this percentage, that is 6 lakh over 7,50,000 multiplied by 100. So all this percentage will be calculated in the same way, that we will take this amount over that year's revenue from operation multiplied by 100, and all this percentage will be calculated in this way. So I have solved all these percentages by putting 7,50,000 over multiplied by 100. Then in the similar way, we will calculate the percentage of the current year. First of all, we have put it 100, revenue from operation as 100. Now the next one will be calculated, this percentage will be calculated, that is 1 lakh over 10 lakh multiplied by 100. I will do it in my rough work, that is 1 lakh over 10 lakh multiplied by 100. Now you will do cutting of this. And then here you will get 10%. Now I have written 10% here. You can see. Now in the similar way, I will calculate this percentage. That is, here is, it is written 11 lakh of current year. 11 lakh over 10 lakh multiplied by 100. We will always take under 10 lakh as a net sale is given in 10 lakh. So we will write here 10 lakh. You can see here 11 lakh over 10 lakh multiplied by 100. Now we'll do cutting. And I will get 11 into 10, that is 110%. Now I have written 110 in this column. Now next we will calculate it, that is 7,50,000 over 10 lakh multiply by 100. Whatever percentage I will get, I will write here. Next, now here it will be, now we'll calculate 7,50,000 over 10 lakh multiply by 100 and it will come to be 75 here. Now in the next you can see here we have this amount is in negative, that is given in the bracket. So when we will calculate it, this percentage will also be in bracket, that is 50,000 over 10 lakh multiply by 100 and it will be 5%. Now I will write this 5% into bracket. Now I will calculate it, all this percentage will be calculated and I will do total of this. Now I have calculated all these percentages in the similar way and at the end I will put a double line here. So this is the common size statement of profit and loss. First of all, absolute amount we will write whatever given in the question, and in this we will calculate the percentage by putting that amount over the net sale of that year multiply by 100. In this 2019 we will take 7,50,000 as the base, and here in this 2020 we will take 10 lakh as the base 100. So this is the common size statement of profit and loss. Thank you.